Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you exciting ways to make money online. Today, we're going to show you how you can earn a staggering $5,400 a month by doing something you probably already love, watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. So, stick around because this could change the way you look at your YouTube time forever. Have you ever wished you could turn your binge-watching sessions into a lucrative income stream? Well, today is your lucky day because we're about to unveil the secrets to monetizing your YouTube addiction. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our money-making tips. Number 1, the method. Alright, let's dive into it. How can you make $5,400 a month just by watching YouTube? The answer lies in a method called paid video watching. Display a bold title, Paid Video Watching Method. Show a few icons representing YouTube, money, and a calendar. With this method, you get paid to watch videos that advertisers want you to see. These videos can range from product commercials to surveys and more. Here's the best part: you can do this on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's super flexible, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Number 2, how it works. Let's break down how it works. Display 3 steps with bold titles. 1. Sign up for paid video platforms. 2. Select videos to watch. 3. Start earning. We've listed some of our favorites in the video description below. 2. These videos come with different earnings, so choose the ones that interest you the most. 3. Start earning. Hit play and watch the video. You'll earn money for every minute you watch, and it adds up fast. Number 3, the earning potential. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I actually earn? Display a calculator with $5,400/month and $180/day. If you watch videos for just a couple of hours a day, you can easily make $5,400 a month. That's $180 a day, and it's all by doing something you enjoy. Number 4, tips and tricks. But before you rush off to start making money, here are some insider tips. Display 3 tips with bold titles. 1. Consistency is key. 2. Explore different platforms. 3. Refer friends for bonuses. 1. Consistency is key. The more you watch, the more you earn. So, set aside some dedicated time each day for paid video watching. 2. Explore different platforms. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Join multiple platforms to increase your earning potential. 3. And there you have it, folks. Making $5,400 a month by watching YouTube videos is not just a dream, it's a reality. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to turn your leisure time into a money-making venture, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. We'll keep you updated with more exciting ways to make money online. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, the links to our recommended paid video platforms are in the video description. Go check them out and start making money while watching your favorite content. Until next time, stay tuned, stay savvy, and happy earning.